Gap continuations and gap fills for 2024. In 2010, we released the book 7 Trading Systems for the S&P Futures, and we have added some updates for this membership area. So if you have access to the 7 Trading Systems members area, you can download the open code, easy language, and workspace files for the 2024 updates for gap fills and gap continuations. As you can see here, this is Gap Fill 1 2024. These are basic stop loss and profit target updates, and this is going back 2 years in this strategy. You see Gap Fill 1 here, Gap Fill 2, and it's a different variation on gap fills. You can see the equity curve here, additional adjustments for stop loss and profit targets. Gap Fill Combo, you can see the results here. Very nice results since October of 2023. About a 12K move on the hypotheticals. These are strategies that we have not added to our portfolios yet, and sometimes it's easy to discount basic gap fill strategies or gap continuation strategies. But these are some of the basic ways you can trade the markets, and these are some of the recent pattern results. You can see this is gap fill rank. It doesn't trade as much. Let's go back and look at what these gap fill strategies have done on the year. Gap fill combo up 2,900 on 2012, 15K on the last 12 months. Gap fill 2, 7,400 last 12 months, 3,200 on the year, and just in February, and up 7,400 on the last 12 months. And gap fill 1 down 712.50 on the year. There's 3 gap fill strategies. Gap continue 1 2024 up 11K last 12 months, up 3,400 on the year. Gap continue 2 and 2B are not as strong, up 5,300 on the last 12 months, down 1,500 on the year. Here's the equity curve for this. We didn't do the equity curve for gap fill 1. You can see the names for each of these strategies in the workspace. There's 7 trading systems for the S&P Futures. The first 4 are gap fills, and then the last 3 are gap continuations. You can see those names here. We're going over equity curve and performance summaries. And gap continuation 2B, here is the equity curve. Doesn't trade as much. Here is the last 2 years, or the last 2 years for the last 12 months here. And then the last, just in 2024, once again, one of the stronger ones are the gap continuation 1 that you see here, and also the gap combo 2024. Looking to add these to the portfolio calculator, potentially trade these live. And so it's one opportunity to get open code. We don't share our open code for most strategies, but we do on some to show the approach that we take to developing trading systems, and a little bit about a beginner's intro into trading system development, so you can understand what we're doing at Capstone Trading Systems. And that is from our book 7 Trading Systems for the S&P Futures. You can get the book from 2010, or you can also get the members area, which is upgraded with the current trading systems for 2024. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.